Lily, what's this?
Oh, hello everyone, this is your long-awaited chipset Qualcomm SDX65. Okay, let's have a look about it. It will be installed in our 5G router. The Qualcomm SDX supports 300 MHz on the sub-6 GHz band, and up to 1000 MHz on the millimeter wave band. And with this support, the RM521 modem will be used in our router, so our router's speed will be higher, the bandwidth will be wider, and the latency will be lower, and the latency and the range the Wi-Fi coverage will be longer. So if you use still in 128 users at the same time, the speed will be faster, so he will offer you better experience. The quantity is limited, so first come, first get it. Thank you.